it looked like you fucking got him. Look at that fucking dumbass picture, dude. Look at this shit.
What is it? What the fuck?
I might have just saved your life.
Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Thank you. Appreciate that. Clip it. Clipping it. Clipping it.
What's that wood barrier? Wood barrier, I bet.
There's a guy above you sniping on top of a down plane.
Some guy said there's a guy above you.
What? Did you see that?
No, I didn't. I'm respawned.